let's go and get my nails done really quick. Probably get some medium length square with a pink French tip. Got my nails done, you guys. They are so cute. They're pretty much close enough to the picture, except for she didn't paint. I might go paint my own pink tips on and just use the guide that's here, but otherwise I like them. They are so cute, so summer, spring. Now I think I might go bedazzle it. I need to go put some lotion on. Good morning, y'all. I finally got the t-shirts in for the 42 t-shirt order, so I'm going to get started working on that with you guys. I wanted to kind of show you guys the process of how I make my t-shirts. For this project, I'm using DTF transfers that I got from a local print shop near me. And they came out so well. I already pressed a few of them. This is a size small. Yeah, this is a size small on a Gildan heavy cotton. And I think this color, I don't really remember what color gray this was. There's so many different color grays in the Gildan brand. But I think it was like a heather plum or something heather. Super cute. And the design is so smooth. It's not like a sheet of paper just sitting on the shirt. So let's get into how I make my t-shirts. This is mainly just gonna be a vlog because this is the biggest t-shirt order that I have ever gotten. So yay. I remember if I showed you guys, but I just got my nails done. So I'm so excited that I finally got my nails done. It's been so long since I've had my nails done that I am me again. All I need to do is redo my hair and I'm her again. But anyways, let's hop into the t-shirts. So this is my workstation. I put up that folding table as you guys seen. So now I'm going to lint roll this shirt with my lint roller. I'm going to pull out my heat press. I have it warming up right now. That's that noise that you guys hear in the back. So I'm going to then take the shirt. Well, I'm gonna wait. I'm going to press the shirt first to get any moisture out the shirt, and then I'm going to fold it in half and press it again to get a crisp line down the middle, and then we'll take the design, put the design on the t-shirt, tape it down, press it, and we'll have a t-shirt. So I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse, so let's get into the time.
I just restocked the snack basket. I did a TikTok on that, so I'm gonna put the TikTok next. Let's restock the snack basket at my Nashville Airbnb. This is what we have left from the previous guests. It looks like they really enjoyed themselves. Let's take everything out, and I'm gonna wipe down the container that it's in. If you noticed, I did recently change containers, and I'm thinking about changing it again to a flat container or like a square shaped one instead of a round one, because it's a lot easier to place the items inside of it. But here's everything that I restocked in the snack basket. I'm gonna put all of the leftovers back in, which was a few packs of ramen and a few packs of oatmeal. I picked up some cheese crackers and some peanut butter crackers. I also picked up this 10-pack of animal crackers. I absolutely love animal crackers, so if they don't eat them, I will. Then I'm gonna add a few more packs of this maple brown sugar instant oatmeal. Oatmeal is a classic. The kids love it, adults love it, so we like to provide a few different options. I then added some of these wild berry fruit roll-ups. They're supposed to be healthy, so just a healthier option. Some of these apple cinnamon granola bars. I think they're for kids, but you know, a granola bar is a granola bar. Of course, the Aloha bars and the Nature's Bakery bars are making a reappearance, and that finished off the box of those. So then I just filled in some of these empty spaces. I had to run to the store again to get some more things to fill the container. So I added some Pocky, I added some Go-Go, applesauce squeezes, some fruit snacks, some beef jerky sticks, all kind of things. Anyways, what would you like to see in the welcome gift basket at your Airbnb if you were to stay in an Airbnb? Let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. I almost forgot, I also restocked the Freezy Pops in the freezer, or the popsicles, whatever you call them, in the freezer, because it's hot out here. It's supposed to be in the triple digits. I like to keep my guests cool, and I provided some freeze pop. Okay, now bye. I think I want to get a different basket. I think I'm going to go back to a square tray style basket, so it's easier for you to see what's actually in it. What kind of snacks would you like to see when you go on vacation? Let me know down in the comments also. I also picked up this super cute cow print table runner. I already know it's not gonna be big enough for this table, but let's set it up and try anyways. I suspected it wasn't gonna be long enough for this table, but I'm still gonna keep it there. I'll see if I can find a longer version on Amazon. This is literally the only cow print table runner that I found on Amazon. Maybe there's somewhere else I can buy it. If you know somewhere else that I can buy it, please let me know. It adds such a super cute element and a simple change to this nice bench farm style dining table. I went ahead and put it out now so that the wrinkles will be out of it by the time the guests check in this weekend. It's currently Monday,
So I have plenty of time to straighten this out, iron it if I need to, throw it in the dryer if I need to, put some wrinkle spray on it if I need to, whatever I need to do to get rid of them wrinkles. But that's so cute. And picture, stay with me now, picture this being a cow print light switch. The one that I made that's a tester will replace this one, which I think will be a really cute addition to this bathroom. Just adds a different color in here. There's not really any black in here, but I'd like to tie the black in from some of the accents that we have on the wall and with the text and stuff. But I'll redo this one here shortly. I have to go get a flathead screwdriver, so I'll do that later. I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna pop that picture up again right here. Like, picture that. Oh, just wait. Just you wait. Just you wait. And then this one, I may do this one cow print too, but I don't know if that's overkill with them being right next to each other. So, we'll see how that does.